What if I told you there's a company older than Google, more powerful in enterprise than you realize, and it's quietly positioning itself to dominate the AI arms race? In this video, we're diving into Oracle stock, ticker symbol ORCL, and why it might just be the sleeper giant you've been sleeping on. Let's be real. Most people hear Oracle and think it's something their dad invests in, right after mowing the lawn and checking bond yields. But today, you'll see Oracle in a whole new light. Because the question isn't just, should I invest in Oracle? It's, can you afford not to if you want to be wealthy in the next decade? Founded in 1977 by Larry Ellison, a college dropout who would later become one of the richest people on earth, Oracle built the backbone of global business infrastructure. While others built flashy apps, Oracle quietly secured contracts with governments, banks, and Fortune 5s. You don't see Oracle, but it sees everything. And for decades, Oracle has done one thing better than anyone: own the data layer. But now, they're doing something no one saw coming, and it involves AI. You might be thinking, wait, Oracle and AI? Isn't that like your grandpa suddenly starting a TikTok channel? But this time, grandpa might go viral. Oracle's cloud division, once mocked, is now the dark horse in AI infrastructure. And there's one reason why: partnerships. In 2023, Oracle inked major AI deals, including one with nvidia to provide the high-performance computing that's crucial for training large language models. They're not just chasing AI, they're building the roads AI runs on. Let's break this down like you're explaining it to your roommate who only invests in crypto and protein powder. Oracle's cloud segment is growing faster than Amazon AWS in its early days. They're locking in long-term clients who want secure, regulated environments, hospitals, governments, and banks. Now here's the real kicker. While everyone is distracted by flashy AI stocks like nvidia or Palantir, Oracle is silently cornering the market from the infrastructure side, the picks and shovels in the AI gold rush. But Oracle has one secret weapon even Wall Street is underestimating, and it's not tech. It's Larry Ellison himself. At 79, Larry Ellison still sits as CTO. And while most billionaires are buying islands and yachts, Ellison is outmaneuvering CEOs half his age. He's not playing checkers. He's playing 4D chess. Ellison recently claimed Oracle will be the fastest, most secure AI cloud in the world. That's not a boast. That's a warning shot to Google and Amazon. So here's the question. As retail investors, do we chase what's hot or invest in what's inevitable? Because when the market wakes up to Oracle's positioning, it might already be too late. Imagine waking up one morning and seeing Oracle trending on Reddit like GameStop. Except this time, it's not a meme. It's a $400 billion beast with real earnings. You're in your 20s, you got time. But what you don't have is the luxury of sleeping on generational wealth building opportunities. Oracle might not make headlines on TikTok, but it could rewrite your future portfolio. You now understand why Oracle is no longer just legacy tech, it's legacy with leverage. But here's the thing, most investors are missing. Even a great company can get crushed if macro forces work against it, like inflation. Because if CPI numbers keep climbing, your portfolio might bleed even if you pick winners like Oracle. So if you want to protect your wealth and understand the invisible enemy eating away your money every month, watch this next video right here. CPI inflation rate. Explained why it's destroying your wealth. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Your financial freedom depends on it.